Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if is not charging on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all check your charger and cable. After check your charger and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on battery and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.